Have you tried Collaboration Center in Paragon? It's a tool to make it super simple for your clients to see either how their home is doing on the MLS, or for your buyers to easily have access to all listings that match their search criteria in one place and communicate with you. This is different from auto email, which means your clients have to find the one email they received about a listing from Paragon to see it again. Collaboration Center keeps all the listings in one portal for them to revisit as often as possible. Another benefit of the Collab Center is to be able to see when and how often your clients use the portal easily in your activity center in Paragon. If you currently have clients set up for auto email and would like to make the switch to put them in the Collab Center, just follow these easy steps. Find the client in the Contacts tab and choose View Manage Contacts. Click on the client's name on the blue hyperlink to enter their contact file. On the left, under Contact Information, select Buyer Activity. Select the search you want to change. Under Automatic Notifications, change the selection to Collab Center. If you want to change how often you and your client receive an email from the Collaboration Center, choose Options next to the Automatic Notification selection field. Here you can change the client notifications and agent notifications to immediate, reoccurring, or off. Now you've changed your client from auto email to the Collaboration Center. Thanks for watching.